Raji here from T&T Honda Service Department to talk about the maintenance minder system on your vehicle. I just wanted to go through quickly the A services and the subminders that come up as well for you. So A service is your oil change. B service, we do the oil change, but we also take a look at your brakes, clean them up, service them just so we get the most life out of them. You'll also notice that there'll be a subminder number that will come up on your maintenance as well when it's due. So we've got 1, which is your tire rotation, 2, which is cabin and engine air filter replacement, 3, transmission fluid replacement. Your 4 can be different depending on if you would drive a 4-cylinder or a 6-cylinder. On the 4-cylinder engines, we are replacing your spark plugs, doing what's called an engine valve adjustment. We do the same on the 6-cylinders, but we're also taking care of your timing belt as well. The sub item number 5 is your engine coolant replacement. Number 6, if you have an all-wheel drive vehicle like an HRV or a CRV, we will be changing your differential fluid when that number pops up. And your number 7 service is your brake fluid. Of course, if you guys have any questions about this maintenance, give us a call. We'll book you in. We'll take care of that for you. T&T Honda, steering you straight.